What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here, and in this video I want to talk about why this simple $25 business is absolutely insane. Now, you've heard of the all-in-one $25 digital business where that actually helps you earn 80% residual income on each and every product that's within the system. But the problem that I ran into, and a lot of people inside of this system actually run into, is that people do not stick. People do not stay in this simple, the all-in-one $25 digital business. And I've heard several, excuses as to why, it's a hard sale, or, if you're going to build it, don't even use the name of the company, which I can understand that. And some people, talk about where there's no this in there and there's no that in there. So there are some things missing that people, when they join, they don't get what they expect. But what I wanted to do is I sat down and I thought about this. What can I do? What can I create that's going to actually help people, earn 80% residual income, $8 per month, $20 per month, $100 per month in residual income, and even $400 up to $800 one-time sale, using a simple system that's going to help them get up and going. So what I set out to do was actually create a simple system that that's going to help you and others who have been in HBA, and even if you're brand new to HBA, actually get started. So I want to share this system with you. Now, I want you to understand that before you go on in this video, it's simple, but there are some action steps that you have to take. This is not a complete done for you system. I'm looking for people who don't mind taking action, going into the funnel builder, following these steps, doing this and doing that, setting up their autoresponder, on their own, without me or whoever shares this with them trying to do it for them. I want you to learn the skill. That's what this system is built around. It's simple, but you do have to do some work. But I want to show you what I have created in this video. So with that being said, let's go ahead on and get started right now. All right, so this is the first page of the system that I created for you that you can find actually inside of the template section in the funnel builder. But I noticed you don't see, you don't see $25 digital business here or simple $25 business. I did this on purpose because I want you to actually go in here and learn how to edit the funnel builder, learn how to use the funnel builder. When you give some, there's a saying that says if you give a person a fish, you feed him for a day. And if you teach him how to fish, then you'll feed him for life and things like that. But that's not necessarily true in my opinion. I can give you a fish, but if you don't know how to gut it, clean it, fry it, fillet it, and all of that, you still gonna go hungry unless you eat it raw. And even if I give you a fish, give you fish, plenty of them, if you don't know how to do what is done, you need to learn how to clean the fish. You need to learn how to gut the fish. You need to learn how to fillet the fish. You need to know how to cook the fish. So that's not a necessarily true statement. Think about that. I'm giving you a fish, but I'm also giving you a way for you to actually clean the fish. You didn't have to catch it, but you're going to clean it, you're going to gut it, and then you're going to learn how to cook it so you can finally eat, That's what I'm doing in here. So I'm giving you the fish. It's up to you to actually do what you have to do. So this is the front page, that you're going to see. You can actually change this text, You can change all of this information. That's totally up to you, however you want to do it. Once someone enters their information, their email in here, and they confirm, they're going to go to this page right here. This is a page that I'm giving you. Now, you insert your own image here. I don't have an image of me or no one else. You put your image in here. Don't worry. I'm showing you how to do this in the training. You're going to put your name here. You're going to put your name here, and you're going to change a link out on this button. Now, The purpose of this page is collect their information. The purpose of this page is to get them to go and open up the email. We are not giving them the goods, okay, on this page. They have to open up their email, which means that if they give you a fake email over here, this is as far as they get. And if they give you a fake email over here and they come to this page and this is as far as they get, you have another way of getting them to purchase something, perhaps. Okay, so this button right here goes to any product you prefer. I prefer that they go to another, HBA product, okay, that they can actually watch, because if they're giving you fake information, they're not going to open the email anyway. But at least there's an opportunity for you to sell them something, because when they get to this page and see that this is all they get, then there are two things they can do. They can exit out the page, or they can click this button right here and go to see what you have to offer. Once they open up their email, they're going to see this page right here. Now, on this page right here, I put your video here because I want you, okay, to insert your video. I don't want to be the face of this. We have enough faces inside of the Home Business Academy right now with the owners of the company. You don't need another face other than the video that you're watching right here on YouTube. So you put your video here. This video does not have to be long, and don't worry about, I don't want to show my face, or I don't know what to say. I'm going to give you the text, okay, that you can actually put inside of this video and that you can use. And you don't have to use a video of you. You can make it a PowerPoint if you want to, but I highly recommend that since you put your picture here, okay, that you put another picture here as well, so they'll know that it is you. What's going to happen then after you insert your video, and don't worry, I have training showing you how to do that as well. But once you insert your video, and then inside of the email, when they click this button right here, this button is going to what I actually set up, and this is called My Simple $25 Business. On this page, I am not showing my face. I'm not mentioning my name or anything like that. In this video, I'm just simply showing them how to set up the system. The system is simply configured with 2 steps. Step 2, okay, you're going to put in your HBA link here, the entire link, and your Aweber link here, the entire link, and click the Save Settings button, system setting button right here. Once you do that, the traffic source I'm recommending is Udemy, simply because Udemy has several different vendors on there that you can actually choose from, so everyone's not using the same vendor. Understand, Udemy is not a recommended traffic source for, okay, the Home Business Academy, HBA, or anything like that. It's just a source for you to go to and get traffic. But you're going to be able to insert your Udemy affiliate link here. So what that means is you're going to be able to earn 80% residual income here, residual income on Aweber, and whenever someone that you introduces purchase traffic, then you earn recurring income as well. And I say recurring simply because if you have someone, 2 or 3 people, 4 or 5 people who are purchasing traffic on a daily basis, a weekly basis, semi-monthly, that in a sense is residual income, because they're purchasing traffic and you keep getting the results and the sales, okay, from that. So you would enter your Udemy link here, click the save traffic link. These should be saved to you. What happens is I have put here a watch the funnel training button after they actually set up everything here, okay. Now what happens is, after they do that, and I'm going to click this button, it's going to open up another tab. This is the actual training page that I've set up. None of these videos are me. None of these videos are talking about me, okay? All of these videos are specifically just showing them how to set the system up. Okay, if you go back to the funnel builder, it's going to take them back, okay, to the actual funnel builder login. If they got it, they're going to be able to log in. No affiliate link of mine is there. Get traffic now. This is not coded to me. I'm not in the video. When they click this button right here, it's going to go to Udemy, and they should be able to log in from there. And then when I get more traffic down here, I'm actually sending people back to the HBA membership site or app so they can actually upgrade to premium. I need to change that right there because that's just real wrong. Anyway, I'm going to change that, and let me show you how you can change that here. As a matter of fact, so that word is wrong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to the website. I'm actually going to come up to funnels. I'm going to come to my $25 business. I'm going to scroll down to the business setup page. I'm going to come down here and scroll. I want to change this text because it's spelled wrong. I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to click on right here and just change these two letters around. Premium, I'm going to click boom, it's changed. Then I'm going to save it. So they have access to this page here. Now, the next step in the process, they can open this up in a new tab. The next step, if they did everything up here correctly, okay, the full URLs here, here, and here, when they click the save button, their link is going to be down here. Everything is going to be triggered to you, okay, for you with your links in here. The only thing you have to do is copy the link, and then you're able to share it. But I have figured out, I know a way that you can shorten this ugly link and make it look better. So we're going to do that in the training as well. You see that the link is coded and credited to you and your sponsor automatically when people sign up through your system. Here's the thing. If when you share this system, if they don't get Aweber, okay, and they don't get Udemy or whatever, they have their own traffic source, your link is still coded here, okay, here and here. That's the way it's set up, that this, if they don't enter anything in here, this is still your link, okay? And it's not going to work really if they don't have the funnel builder anyway. The funnel builder is the essential thing that they need. So understand that. They'll be able to copy this link, and when they copy that link, they can put it in a new tab and make sure everything has their information in here. Also, on step 5, I put an access to resource page. On the resource page, nothing mentioned me in this video. I'm just talking about the resource, but I'm actually leading them back to get premium, because when they get premium, you're earning $20 residual income for the funnel builder. You're earning recurring income for Aweber. You're earning income for Udemy. But now when they get premium, now you're earning $100 per month in residual income through there as well, if you own the product. Okay, so understand that I'm always leading them back to premium. And also there's in there the Let's Go app. They can earn $8 per month for that, so don't forget that. So also have email swipes here. Okay, you can close that up, drop down, get the next email swipe. You can take these email swipes. I wouldn't use them as they are. I would read through them, pop them in Chat GPT, or rewrite them on your own. But I have 7 email, okay, here that you can get access to. You simply click the copy button, and boom, your copy. You come down through here and you have 7 here. Also have 7 Facebook posts if you're on Facebook. Now, all of this right here is something that I'm giving you as a bonus for joining me, and that your team member will be giving you as a bonus for joining them. I have some other bonuses that I'm giving away, but I just wanted to share with you this little simple system right here. Okay, all of the everything right here, the Facebook post. If you go back to setup, it takes you right back to setup. Now, you can get access to this by clicking the link in the description below. And what it's going to take you is this page right here. Now, you can, like I said, you can edit that, but it's going to take you to this page right here. Simply enter your email. It's going to take you through the steps that I have just shown you, so you can get access to your system right there. I am not getting your leads. I'm not taking your leads from you. That's why I want you to set up your own system here inside of the Home Business Academy. Get your own simple $25 business, because you're going to generate your own leads. I'm just giving you access to the system for free, but in order to earn residual income, any kind of income from it, it's going to take work and effort on your part, and I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to earn anything. I'm putting this together for me and my team, hoping, you know, that it can get them results. And I'm not done with it yet. I'm working on another one that's going to have a full-fledged where you don't even have to set up the capture pages and all of that. So, right, that being said, I'm not getting your leads. This is for you. It's absolutely insane what I'm giving you, plus some other bonuses that I have. So if you want access to it, click the link that's in the description below. I will see you on the inside. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.